I'm breaking it.
She's so sexy, I am in fantasy. A refugee like me back with the Fugees from a third world country. I go back like when Pop carried crates for Humpty Hump. We need a whole club chasing more by the CIA when I ride shit. So I'm being to Haitians. I ain't guilty of some musical transaction. No boat, so boat, no more do we snatch rope. Refugees run the seas cause we on our own boat. No fighting, no fighting.
Not that bad. Not that bad.
Travel around the world and even sail the 7 seas. Across the universe and all the other galaxies.
Fireworks extravaganza we have had here in San Antonio downtown for the last 15 minutes. You can see people have thoroughly enjoyed the fireworks show as we have brought it to you here live from Kins 5. You saw it from Chopper 5, HD, up from the Tower of the Americas. Now you hear the traditional song that we hear every year. 2010 brings with it new hopes, new dreams, resolutions, new faces, and we want to bring to you our new Kins 5 face. My new co-anchor, my new partner in crime.